So hi guys, it's Kevin again and welcome back to another camping hacks, tips and tricks video. So all I'm going to do for you today is just make a little candle lantern. So I'm just going to get my old knife, a very old knife, it's only a cheap one. I basically only use this for cutting open bacon packets or sausages or anything like that. So I wouldn't do this with an expensive knife. Basically I'm just going to make one cut all the way down this old can of Monster here. I don't normally drink Monster, but I had to get a can of something because I'm not on the beer at the minute because I'm on a few antibiotics, so I just got this can of Monster. So cut straight down the middle, then I'm going to cut across the bottom, probably about 1.5 inches. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to carefully, this will be sharp now, just sheath this, fold these back and make like a door, without getting cut would be the best thing. Get rid of any leftover fluid in it. Okay, now if you wish, tie a bit of paracord up, you're going to hang it in a tree or anything. Get your candle. Melt a bit of wax in the bottom. Okay, so just melt some wax in the bottom. Stick in your candle. And we have a little lantern. And what we'll do tonight is when it gets dark, we'll bring it back in and show you how effective it can be. I have just set it now because I don't like to use sharps in the dark. There we are, little lantern. So as you can see then, it's pretty dark out now. And there we are, that's the candle. It's lighting Lily up just, but it is about 4 foot above her head, 3 foot above her head, but that's the candle lantern. So you can see it emanates a fair bit of light for just a beer can and one candle. And it's directional, so if you was camping in a way that you didn't want to give away your position, you'd have your back to, you know, the traffic, shall we say, the footpath or whatever you was. And there you are. Cheap, cheerful candle lantern. And unfortunately, as the case may be, you know, there's a good chance that you know, wherever you are, you could probably just pick one of these cans up, a beer can, a coke can or something, just for litter, which is unfortunate, but there we are. At least if we make a lantern out of it, we can put it in our kit and take it and dispose of it. So that's that. Thanks for joining us on another Camping Hacks video. We'll catch you in the next one.